Alright, you got the sugar? You done? His back is like humping or something.
No, because it has no stinger. He's trying to look for where's the stinger, but you know. Whatever it's done is like a suicide mission for him.
Probably. Alright, is this clear? Alright, cool. What's up, guys? It is the first video of a new channel. I did have a lot of videos on my own channel, but we decided to go and start another channel for the group. So this is John.
What's up?
My name is Joseph. We're gonna be starting this new channel, but today's video is gonna be for John's car, this beautiful 350Z. My car's over there, just chilling. And what we're gonna be doing today is replacing the head unit.
It's a 2012 head unit. It has Bluetooth issues right now. It doesn't really want to connect sometimes. And it's been trying to connect. If it does connect, it takes around 2 to 3 minutes for it to connect to Bluetooth.
Okay, so those would be the main issues.
Yeah. So we're gonna switch over to Android head unit that can play YouTube, maybe Netflix.
Netflix while you're driving?
Spotify, whatever. It has Waze GPS also, so that's a good thing.
So yeah, we're gonna be replacing that today. We do have the new parts over here. Would you explain what the head unit is?
It's a Toto A6 Pro without the gesture. I got it for around under $200, around less than $220. It's like $700 worth of features in that thing, so.
$700 worth of features in this.
The review said.
Damn. All right. And then we have the dash kit, which we ordered from Amazon. This doubled-in dash kit plus the harness. So we're gonna be doing the harness. I got all the soldering tools and all that. And we'll be wrapping everything up nice and clean. No butt connectors for the inside. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Let's get started.
So we have an aux cable they gave us. No, wait, that's a microphone.
Antenna. I don't know what this is. Quick charge, easy connection.
And this is one of the antennas too, I think. This is GPS.
That's GPS?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this will be radio or something. Yeah. This is all the wires that we're gonna solder.
Frosted film, HD film. Eat this.
It's edible. Or is that silica gel packet or whatever?
Yeah, to prevent moisture. USB, aux, SD card. And plus, with this head unit, you can just plug in the dash cam with this, but it has no audio. But all the dash cam footage would be recorded here.
Oh, interesting. So with that SD card you have for...
It has to be a specially made dash cam for this unit.
Okay. So it's proprietary. And it's only made by Toto?
Yes. Mic, power, whatever you call this thing.
RCAs.
RCAs, and then GPS antenna.
Wi-Fi? Does that say Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Okay, so blue. Where's the blue? Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi antenna.
Yes.
So that means if your phone has data, you can set up a mobile hotspot on your phone and you can connect this device to it wirelessly with this. Alright, so this is the wiring harness we ordered. And so see, all the wires are color coded. And we're going to solder that to the wires that came with the head unit. So this is what we'll plug into the car factory harness. And this is what we'll plug into the head unit with the connector on the back. So color coded, pretty simple. You just need to know how to solder and clean up the connections. Alright, so step 1.
Quick release. Just make sure you tuck it in, so make sure it doesn't, you know.
Yep. Just remove your ground and yeah.
And you touch both leads.
Oh. What the heck? Where's the ground wire? There's no black. So we're just gonna take the color matched wires, wrap them together, and then solder them over. coming out from the clouds, so it's changing the exposure.
Yep, there we go. Oh, you can change the shift boot easy.
Yeah? Oh yeah, there you go.
Hey, should I get a Suede or should I get a Rick and Morty?
Sorry guys, but anyway, here's what the finished product looks like. If it can frickin' focus. Soldered, connected, not going anywhere. So now that our solder point is there, I'm gonna slide this heat shrink over it, and then we're gonna use a lighter to solidify it into place. Alright, so sorry if you guys couldn't see that previous clip, but I have the heat shrink right here. It'll cover the solder. So slide it over the solder point, and then just use your lighter and go to town. Oh, windy. It's windy. This is your finished product right here. I burned the thing a little bit, but yeah. Now it's a strong connection, soldered and covered with heat shrink. That's how you properly do it. Now, since I've shown it to you guys, I will just do a time lapse, and I'm gonna have all of them done like this. Alright, whole thing is done. This is the part of the wires that go into the head unit,
No blood vessels.
wired to the wires that will go directly into the car. And this looks pretty freaking clean, don't you think?
Oh, hell yeah.
Looks really nice, really clean. This is how a proper setup should be. Clean cuts, nice solder points, and cover all of your solder points to make sure they don't short out with each other. So yeah, this end goes into the harness inside the car, this end goes into the radio. So yeah. Climate controls.
Yeah. Stripping it already. There's already been stripped. Looking easier looking out.
Yeah. Someone just took a drill and just install the one that comes with the car. I mean, comes with the head unit. It should come out as one because these brackets, we're gonna have to put it on the head unit before we put it in.
We have new ones.
Yeah. Oh, he used butt connectors, dude. I told you. I hope he didn't cut into the stock harness. Please tell me he did not. Oh, okay. Okay. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Should not use butt connectors.
No, let's disassemble everything here. Oh, let's.
All right. Head unit is out. You want to hold this real quick?
Yeah.
Pioneer though.
Pioneer, yeah.
It's a good head unit.
I'm gonna give this to my father's pilot soon because he wants a head unit. It still works at least.
All right. So what do we got? Thankfully, all right. It looks like he used the same harness
As us.
but he used butt connectors, dude. Like, oh my god.
He doesn't cover them up. So what's the proper way you have to do it?
The way I did it. You want to grab my harness real quick? Show him the proper way?
Okay.
Yeah. This is how it should be done properly. Look, doesn't that just satisfy the eyes? Honestly.
Please.
Look at this. Ugh. That is disgusting.
So we have this.
Never do that. What do we got?
NIS, the same exact ones that I got from Amazon. Apparently use the same ones, but we're gonna use new ones because we like new stuff.
Alright. So this one's gonna go in. And then we're gonna get rid of this nasty stuff. These wires are off. So just... Where is it? It's all the way over there. Oh my god. Okay, this will plug into the back of the head. Okay, where does this go? This USB right here.
Keep pulling.
You don't know?
What is that? Is that part of the...
What is this?
It wasn't connected at all, right?
Here. Look at this. It's like a, hold on. A bare USB port. We have found already like 2-3 bunches of wire inside like this center console. We don't know what it's for. It doesn't look like it's been used. Alright, John, what do you do with that? That's how we do it. Alright, we're testing it for the first time. Just gonna put it here real quick. Oh shit.
Did you just hear something?
No. Did you hear something?
No. I don't know.
Alright.
Give it a few seconds.
I see the screen turned off. Maybe, yes. Oh, it's a power button.
No, it's not turning that in yet. It's not turning on. Unless there's supposed to be ground connect. You didn't feel anything, right?
No.
Processor doing.
Oh, wait. Okay.
I just saw something light up.
Oh, see, there
That's
it is.
the ground.
Yeah, the antenna is a ground.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, Google. This looks like my phone right now.
It's booting up.
Yeah.
NANI? Yeah, because it's the first time booting. Oh, there it is.
Oh. I don't think we can get demonetized for this. Alright, turn your key off. So we finally got the head unit to work. Yes, as you guys can see, let's take it out, it's really annoying. It took us so long to mess around with this and finally get the radio in, but all the connections are in and it's working. We're just connecting everything back right now. Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to say thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. We do have more videos to come, and those will be videos of the remainders of the rest of the people in our group that have cars. We're going to be doing install videos, roller shots, vlogs, all that stuff to like bring more content to the channel, entertainment and stuff. So if you did come from my personal channel, which I had been uploading on previously, I just wanted to say thank you. And if you're a newcomer, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We will have more exciting content for you guys coming. I've had more time on my hands to be able to do so, and I plan to do that more now. So yeah, we'll have more content. Stay tuned. We will be back.